Question 1. Germs can get into your body when you don't wash your hands. It's true. Question 2. What is the body's largest organ? The answer is skin. Question 3. Where in the body does most digestion take place? The answer is small intestine. Question 4. How many bones are there in an adult human body? The answer is 206. Question 5. What is the longest bone in the human body? The answer is femur. It's a thigh bone. Question 6. How many teeth does an adult normally have? The answer is 32. Question 7. Where in the body is the smallest bone found? The answer is ear. Question 8. Your skull is a bone that helps to protect your brain. It's true. Question 9. Saliva helps us to The answer is make food easier to swallow. Question 10. Ears also help us to keep balance so we don't fall down.